What's going on, you guys? Happy Monday and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm Marquise, Meda, joined by Mary, who's going to turn this meteorologist into a rocket scientist today. We got quite the apparatus in front of us, so let's get started.
Right, so this is like a basic DIY rocket test, as we're obviously not NASA rocket scientists, but we can do it at home ourselves. So what's really cool about this is that it teaches the two fundamental parts of rocket science that are really easy to grasp.
Okay.
The thrust, the part that lifts off a rocket, and then the aerodynamics, the part that helps it kind of break through the air. So the thrust of the rocket is like the most important part. It is all based on Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. This is my beautiful rocket. I have an explosive. I have fire going down. It pushes my rocket up.
Okay.
For a stomp rocket, I have air filling in. Eventually, the air is going to push outward through the down spot. It's going to push my rocket upwards. Eventually, there's just not enough space for the air to go. It's going to escape and push the rocket up. Exact same thing as a natural rocket, just with like 1 billion pounds less of thrust. So that's the thrust part. We're going to use that with the air. The aerodynamics part is very important because we have our very trusty rocket body. We have to give it a rocket cap and some rocket fins to help it break through the atmosphere as it's going up.
Okay.
I'm going to leave it to your expertise of which ones you want. We have a short cap and a long cap.
Well, I feel like the short cap looks prettier, but I feel like the long cap is probably a little bit more aerodynamic, right?
We can test. We can test. Absolutely. All right. I'm going to tape this together. While we're doing that, which one of the fins do you want?
That is actually a good question. So the fins also have to be aerodynamic too, right? Air has to move around it in order to generate some lift. I don't know which one to go with. Like, these ones look sharp and sleek, but maybe the air will like wrap around this one a little bit better. So I might stick with this one.
Perfect, perfect. All right, we're gonna quickly tape these up to the rocket. This is a sneak peek inside Artemis 3's building in the VAB. This is how they do it officially, tape and all.
I'm pretty sure they use the same techniques. A little duct tape here, a little duct tape there, right?
They have to use duct tape. There's no way they don't.
It's cost effective, right?
Right. All right, here's our beautifully made rocket. What do you think? Do you want to give it a name?
Bob.
Bob the rocket. All right, we're gonna put Bob the rocket on top of our launch apparatus here.
Okay.
This is just PVC pipe, a 2-liter soda bottle, and some duct tape, like we were talking about. It's amazing. All right,
We are
it's gonna
reaching
be
for the
teamwork.
stars. So I just gotta squeeze it.
Yeah, give us a countdown and then squeeze it as hard as you absolutely can.
Drum roll, please. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, nothing.
That's okay. Sometimes that's how science works. It could definitely be the cap.
So we got to go back to the drawing board here.
Got to go back to the drawing board here. I wonder if we can just ever so slightly remove this cap and put on the other cap.
Okay.
All right. I don't think there's much room for air to leave on this one.
Okay.
We're gonna, oh my goodness. I think we may have destroyed.
We might have crushed it in the wrong way.
Absolutely. All right, there we go. All right.
Cool. All right, let's do a little bit less of a countdown. 5, 4, you ready?
Yep.
3, 2. Well, something took off.
It was a pretty, hats off. That was actually the rocket at the very top of it, not the whole body, just the very top. I think that's a successful experiment.
And here's the thing, with NASA too, not every launch is super successful, right? They go back to the drawing board, they learn from their mistakes, and that's what we're doing here at the Orlando Science Center. What if we launch this one though?
Absolutely.
Just to give the folks at home something to see. You want to do the honors?
Oh,
I'll do the countdown.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so success, third time's a charm, right?
Right.
So I'm glad that we were able to make it happen, and hopefully we can join you guys making it happen, lifting off all throughout Aerospace Month right here at the Orlando Science Center.